Hi there, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. Today I'm going to share with you my March 2018 bonus project kit. So customers who place an order in my online store of $40 or more get a different project kit every month. So this is sort of my way of having Stamp Club come to you. So I love getting together with my local ladies for Stamp Club, and they get to come and everything's pre-cut and we make some projects. And so this is my way to bring that experience to you in the mail. So when you place an order, you get this awesome kit in the mail. So 3 projects and then a free gift. So this month for March 2018, the free gift is a package of the gold faceted gems, which we're going to be using on all 3 of the projects this month. So let me show you what those projects look like. We have 2 cards and then a cute little tote. So this is one of the cards using the Springtime Foils designer paper. It's so pretty. I love this. This was one of the items that they added in the middle of February. So you still have a few days left. If you place a $50 order before March 31st, 2018, you can get the Springtime Foils paper for free. Isn't it beautiful? There are 4 different foil designs in this pack, and you get 3 sheets of each. And then I've got just a stitched oval shape here. You can stamp a greeting of your choice on it, and then the gold leaves, and I added the faceted gems. So these are a little bit bumpy. If you're going to mail this card, you would definitely have to put some extra postage on it, but it would be really beautiful as a hand-delivered card as well. This one is so fun, and I'm going to show you this in another video, but check this out. Isn't that cool? This is the Floral, lovely Floral die that's in the annual catalog, and so you can die cut pieces to make that pop up, and in the project kit you get the die cut pieces to make the Floral yourself, so you can do whatever design you want on the front, and then on the inside you'll be able to make that pop up and put any greeting on the banner. So this is going to be my next video. Stay tuned for that, but today I wanted to show you this cute little purse, little tote, featuring the daisy punch and of course a little faceted gem in the middle. I saw this project from another demonstrator in the fall. We did a demonstrator retreat. I can't remember who gave it to me, and I just thought it was so clever. So you'll have the materials that you need to make the project in your kit. It includes a half box of the acetate card boxes and a piece of designer paper. So I'm going to share those measurements with you. This is what the full-size box looks like. It normally would get put together and you would be able to put 3 or 4 cards in there with envelopes and package that up as a cute little gift. These boxes were in the holiday catalog and they have carried over, so they still are available to purchase. And I don't know why I'm having such trouble. Anyway, you put that together so you got the full box like that. So what we did for this project is we cut the box in half. So we have just a half a box. And so when I line this up in the paper trimmer, I looked at this line here and I cut the box at 2 7/8 inch. So I lined up that, the end of that box, you know, half. I lined that up in the Stampin' trimmer. I actually used my heavy duty trimmer, but you could also just use the regular Stampin' trimmer. So I just lined that up and I cut that. And then it helps if you can kind of fold on these lines before you assemble the box. So you're just going to assemble the half box like that, and it's open on one side. And then the designer paper is 6 1/4 by 4 3/8 inch, and then I scored it at 2 3/4. I'm sorry, 2 7/8 and 3 3/8. 2 7/8 and 3 3/8. So you can see those score lines like this. So that just is kind of like a little liner inside the tote. And I used the 2017-2019 in colors, the Fresh Florals designer pack. So you may get the stuff to make a purple or fresh fig one, you may get berry burst, you may get lemon lime twist, powder, pink, or oh, what's the last one? Oh, Tranquil Tide. So you might get a different color and a different ribbon in your make and take kit, but they're all put together the same way. So let me grab the tear and tape, and I'm going to show you how to put the ribbon on. So you want to use a heavy duty adhesive, whether it's the tear and tape or some other kind of heavy adhesive like sticky strip or even fast fuse. But I like the tear and tape because it's easy to wrap around the box. So I'm going to take it and wrap it on one end, starting at the open. And it's easier to do this while the paper is out so that you can see through the box and know where to put the tape. So I'm going to put that on one side, and then I really estimated that. And then another piece to go on the other side. And I like this adhesive because you can just tear right off the roll. Okay, so there's our tape, and then the ribbon is all one long piece, and it is going to go around one side, and then like it's all one solid piece on the box. So we're going to take off both pieces of tear and tape. We're going to start halfway on the bottom on one side, and then we're going to come up one side, we're going to loop around the top, come back down that same side, and we're going to follow it along to the back, kind of pushing as we go, and then loop around the top again, trying to make those even. Okay, and then right back down the side. And I should have, you should have plenty. You could make a little bit longer of a loop at the top if you want, but I tried to include enough so that you wouldn't be short. So you're just going to trim off whatever is left over, and those two pieces should meet right at the bottom. And then again, just kind of go over the ribbon and push down so that everything sticks to the tear tape really good. Okay, and then you're going to put the paper back in, and I did not use any adhesive, so the paper is just, it's just kind of loose in there. But when you put a small gift or candy or whatever in there, it'll hold it in place just fine. So the last little bit is adding on the daisy, and I used Stampin' Dimensionals to put these together. So I have a dimensional on each one, and one of them gets stuck on the other, and I just kind of rotate that a little bit, and then the other dimensional holds it to the tote, and then you just add your little gem. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love it so much. All right, guys, that is it for today. Make sure to get your order in by March 31st. That's this Saturday, Easter weekend, if you want to get this kit for free. Of course, if you miss out on the kit, I have a new kit every month, so there'll be a different kit for April. And you can always make this project on your own by purchasing the acetate boxes in my online store at juliedavison.com/shop. So I use the fresh floral paper, the acetate boxes, the daisy punch, the gold faceted gems, and of course your choice of gorgeous ribbon. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope that you have a great day. Happy stamping!